Hi guys, welcome to Disraka channel. So guys, previous I'm discussed about the SEO part. So how will uploading content from SEO from website, multiple location, and how we can creating for SEO, uh, posting on page optimization, everything I tell you. So today I'm discuss about that SEO meta tags. If you go to my website, Control U option, we can anywhere you can copy the code will be into my website. Here the everything option will be called. This is the most important for meta tags. The purpose of what is the rating, revisit, robot, indexing the content, description purpose, language selection, and content follow for Google search engine, Yahoo, Microsoft, and Bing search engine purpose. So how they scrolling this all content we update on the particular website. So this content is always available by the into the particular my documentation that will be providing for go to blogs. You can copy from the blog option. So in this, I'm selecting one website. This is a coin for control U option. Here they can't updating for along with the title description and a keyword. Meta tags will be missing here. So this is a major key point to adding the meta tags. Meta tags main reason search engine crawling purpose, image crawling purpose, and a web crawler purpose. Next will be any indexing URL will be follow purpose. These are the major condition we can follow that you can add in the meta tags option. This will be compulsory important each and every website. So we can I'll hold on the particular minute. You can pause the video and make a note also. This content always available. Go to my website, just control U. The line will be 30th line to up to 47 line. So this will be copy. Only author name you can mention by the your website name, by URL, by name also. So I mentioned by the website URL. So I'll mention. Okay. Just now start the copying here. After this one, we have the updating for where each and every web pages, not only for home page. This content will be need for each and every web pages. If you go to contact us page, control U, check with the option. See this one. Only canonical URL will be changed, but I'm not discuss about the crawling purpose. This will be author, rating, revisit, and language selection, and search engine crawling purpose, and web crawling purpose, and image optimization purpose. This is a compulsory important. So if we go dynamic website and static website, this will be updated by the cPanel. Where? Updated by the cPanel. cPanel nothing but control panel option. So I have to log in for shineservice.com control panel. So here one question is there. Sir, okay, PHP and HTML will be you can upload using for cPanel. But coming to the WordPress, WordPress will be given by option. We have to install the plugin name called insert header and footer plugin. In the header of the part, we can mention by the meta tags as to you can paste the each and every WordPress website. The plugin name is called insert header and footer plugin. This will be useful for the WordPress website. Now, I'm just logging for cPanel. WordPress is not suitable cPanel. Only HTML website and PHP website they're suitable by the in a particular login by the cPanel. WordPress will be dependent plugin name is called insert header and footer plugin. Just open the cPanel. I'm logging cPanel. Copy the content. So who will be paste the content will be particular website that will be paste the content will be based on the developers. So how is a based on the developer will be design the website that depend on we can optimize by the your particular website. So in this purpose, I have to using for in this head plugin edit. In this we can use a particular option in this web crawl. First you can go to this page. Here is everything will be there. Now we can go for refresh. You can check it out where you can place the code will be here. The compulsory important will be in a particular option. Just it will showing only header part. So that is not showing for header part. You can checking for your home page option here. They're not showing in this option. We have to check this code will be here. Nothing reflection here. So is the wrong page. Select with the correct page option. So I'll find out the correct page. Edit. We can use the home page option in this. Control F. .php. Header.php. In this footer. Header.php is there. So we can use this header.php. Edit. Here is the web crawler option will be there. So we can check for remaining pages. Not only I'm checking for all pages, I will be check. See, next services. Here is the option. Suppose is not in head part. Simple way will be there in this header. Control X. We can go to this option. Paste the code. I can go with individual pages. Edit contact us. Where is the title, description, and canonical URL? We can use this code also. Now it will be showing for header part, contact page, where it will showing for header option. See this one. Same like all pages. So you can paste the code will be individual pages. So individual page, how much time will be taken? They take for the long time. So that is the purpose. You can posting for one common page is the more important. So here, blog. So here I'm adding for the particular code option in this. See this, everything will adding for a particular code option. So we can check for each and every page, you have to check it. This is the most important option. So here you can add it here. So just I'm adding in this. So all page purpose where you can go for option will be header, edit, and paste it. It will be done. So no need to go for individual pages. So 2 times will be repeat. That's the purpose. We don't repeat for 2 times for the a particular option. Just close it. So compulsory, what are the page you design? You can click here. You can check for the code in this option. So where you can upload by content will be header, common, file. Suppose if you are uploading for 2 pages for home page and header files, they're repeating for 2 times. Is the first time will be footer will be second time. Only one time will be repeat is a each and every pages. So the content will be posting for common pages, most of the important. Suppose you have website will be only 5 pages. You can add the code will be 5 individual pages. But any dynamic website, you can compulsory maintain one common page. Once upload the content will be the common page, each and every page will be automatically will be circulate. So this is method we can compulsorily follow by the each and every page. So there is a home page or other pages. Compulsory you can follow instructions and activate by the meta tag code. Don't forget the URL scrolling purpose. Compulsory we can use option name is called this one. Search engine, web crawl, and content indexing purpose. We can using for SEO meta tags compulsory important along with the SEO title, description, and the keyword. So this is a compulsory we can follow. If anybody code will be missing in my blog, go to my website, click for Control U. The line will be follow for here. Will using will be 13th line to up to 47 line. You can copy and use your website. In author name, you can writing for your website name. After the all pages, you will be crawling the web pages and the web URL and search engine purpose. If anybody doubt about the code, please comment me our channel. I definitely will be support and anything will be required. I'll definitely will be support on your website. How will be placing the WordPress and PHP HTML. I will be support in the comment box. Drop me your message. I will support along with the live interaction. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.